So I'm here today to change the room cylinder and night latch. Room cylinder has failed, or failing, keeps locking them out. So I've just been to the van to get the room cylinder. Got the night latch already. And yeah, see how we get on. So this is the door's closed, there's a lot of bounce, and they're saying that it's failing. So we just lock out. Screw is loose, so stick another screw in there, sort it out. This is the locking. Everything's tightened up. That bit off. Now just chop down a bit. Get this on. Something not fitted. Just got to bring the key in a little bit now. There's just a bit of bounce on the door. The door is now closing, but when you pull on it, it opens. So I think the night latch needs changing as well. Okay. The door is better secure now. It's the best you're going to get it with the bottom locking as well. That's all done. There we go. No bounce at all now.